Welcome my YouTube family. Welcome back to Briscoe's Kitchen. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make a baked fish in the oven. Yeah, man, a baked snapper fish in the oven. First and foremost, big up Father God, okay? So yeah, we're going to jump into the intro and then we start off the prepping process.
Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice. Yeah, the food is nice. Like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Yeah, Briscoe's Kitchen and Spice.
So this is the fish I'm using. Red snapper. I already scaled and wash it. Okay? So over here, I have my all-purpose season. I have some sweet pepper and onion cut up right here, so I have some rosemary, fresh thyme, and I have some lemons. Here I have some blend green season, the recipe for this on my website. So now we're gonna start to season the fish. Before I season the fish, I'm just gonna go in here, get a couple of slices just for this season to soak inside. Okay, this is a big fish. Okay, so we're gonna slice him just like that. As I tell my people, I already wash. You already scale and wash. Alright, so we're gonna start off the season inside of the head. Gonna start off the season inside of here. And this season you don't have a lot of sodium, so don't mind, don't bother selling me, I gotta salt it, okay? Alright, so you want to make it look like something like that. You could use your fish season. You could use any season of your choice to season your fish to do the same recipe, okay? So just like this. Go turn him over, do the same thing. Alright, now I'm gonna add the green season inside the fish. This I will have all of the flavor, okay, my people? This green season. Have everything inside of it. Ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, everything inside of it. Okay. And just up the fish ready just like this. Yeah, it smells so good. Yeah, it smells good already. And start cook it. Just because I flavor all of the fresh season them blend up together. Alright. We already put inside already. Now I'm gonna get a sheet pan. So these is just to make the fish don't stick onto the tray. Or if you have potatoes, you could use some potatoes and carrots. Alright. So you just want to rest the fish on it just like this. Now I'm gonna put the rosemary inside the fish. The thyme. Just like that. But I'd put the lemons too, okay my people? Alright. I'm gonna add some more green season on top. Yeah, it smell like it cook already. I swear my people. Smell like it cook already. Put some lemons on top. Okay, my people, this is it. Okay, my people, now I'm going to bake it in the oven at 375 degrees for 30 minutes. So see you in 30 minutes time, my people. Okay, family, so it's already 30 minutes. Now I'm going to take the fish out the oven. Look at this. Look at this. Fully restaurant style. My people, look at this. Well cooked. Fully cooked. Look at this. Okay, my people, I know me have to eat when I cook the food down. See how juicy this is, my people? Yo, I'm telling you. I'm telling you, go ahead and try this recipe. Okay? So please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I have a lot more recipe to share with you all. Happy holidays.